I'm recording this because something happened today. I was flying drone because I made the mistake of charging all my drone batteries, and so it's it's bad to let it like that. So I applied my drone a bit, and when I'm flying, while the drone is descending, I cannot believe I saw a flying saucer. I cannot believe it. Just where I'm looking up at the drone, up in the drone while it's going down to land, I saw a flying saucer up there in the clouds. I cannot believe it. It looks like brown, like brownish and golden color, brownish, something like that. It's like copper. It's color like that, and it's shiny because the sun is reflecting it. So it's like it's shining and then it's not. It's shining and then it's not. I cannot believe it. So while my drone is descending, I lost focus because I was looking at it, and it's flying through the clouds, striking, streaking there. It's not fast. It's just passing through there. But then, when I take my drone from the ground, I don't want to step on it. I can still see it. It's there, and now it's a bit cloudy. It's a bit cloudy now. Flying saucer there, and then while the drone is going down, and then it's passed like this, and then I cannot find it anymore on these clouds. Wow, I cannot believe I saw another flying saucer today here in Sydney, Australia. So I wanted to say that they really here, they really coming. You know what I'm saying, that God the Creator is an alien, because I have seen him, and the angels in the Bible are really riding on these flying ships like UFO. It's all over the Bible, the evidence. They're here. So many sightings, so many people seeing it. They're here. They're surrounding this earth. They're up there in the atmosphere. They're watching us. They're observing us. They want us to know that they are here and that they are coming soon, and they will reveal themselves. They already revealed themselves to me. I saw them. I saw God, what he looks like. He looks like an alien being. I saw an angel. Some of them looks like human. Some of them have black skin. I've seen it. They talk to me. And they told me things that will happen in the future. So this is God and the angels in heaven. They are the ones flying up there that people are seeing like UFO. They're they're starting to reveal themselves because people are afraid. People are afraid, but they want us to get used to them, because time will come, the kingdom of God will come down here. It's a giant spacecraft, as big as a country. It will touch down here. According to Revelation, it's in the mountains. So I have a theory. It could be touching down in Nepal, because according to Revelation, I saw the holy city. I saw myself in a very high mountain, and I saw the New Jerusalem, the kingdom of God, touching down. So so I think that's what will happen. And so it's amazing. I saw a real flying saucer again today, and right now I can see it's look color like a copper, like brown gold, and it's shining. Amazing. You guys here. This is my diary. I think today is 9 September, Thursday, 9 September 2021 here in Sydney, Australia. It's a lovely day. Thank you very much. Thank you guys for listening.